Look, Nanay found her own swimming pool.
About 270 kilometers northeast of Manila is the coastal town of Baler in the province of Aurora. Fastest way to get there is by SC Tex or the Subi-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, which would take you to the provinces of Bulacan, Pampanga, Tarlac, and Nueva Ecija.
We made it to the province of Aurora, named after Aurora, Aragon, Quezon pala siya. Hey, we're here. Around 40 minutes more to Baler. Oh, we are in Aurora province. Yay! Let's drive again. Okay, so we're about what, 30 to 40 minutes away from Baler. 30 minutes to Baler. Hey, we're here. Welcome to Baler, people. Finally. Hey, we're here. The hotel's over there. Okay, we're looking for Playa Azul. Again, Playa Azul. Hanapin natin yung we'll look for park. That's Playa Azul entrance.
Tayo?
This is Playa Azul in Baler.
Azul Hotel is one of the hotels along Sabang Beach, which is perhaps the most popular beach in Baler. It offers you a stunning view of the Pacific Ocean and the Sierra Madre Mountains.
And I am with Nanay and Brian. We finally made it to Baler. Busy today, look at that. So many people. It's Sunday. Oh, may ano pa? May street food pa.
Food stalls and restaurants starts to open in the late afternoon and before sunset. This gives you a good selection of places to eat.
Morning! Our second day in Baler. We just had breakfast, but we're gonna head out later on to check out some tourist spots. There's Nanay and Brian. In Baler! Yee! Mamaya mag-ano tayo, mag-tour. We just had breakfast. Look at the waves! Our second day in Baler. Brian, Nanay. There, we're gonna check out some tourist spots. We're driving now for the last 10 minutes probably. We're gonna see the lighthouse. We're gonna see some islets, the beach. See you later. Nasa ano kami? This is the Gisit Beach. So this is the Gisit Beach, about 10 minutes drive from Baler town where we're staying. Look at that. Hey chicken, chicken, chicken. Hey chicken, chicken, chicken. Hey, welcome to the Gisit Beach. Look, Nanay found her own swimming pool. Anong tawag dito sa swimming pool mo? Oh, nice. It's warm. Warm ang tubig niya. Look at the islands. That's the lighthouse over there. Ang ganda dito ah.
Digested Beach about 10 minutes drive from Sabong Beach. Digested Beach is very unique because you will see a lot of different rock formations and small islands around the area. A quick drive from Digested Beach, we headed out to the public market for some delicious lunch. We're at public market here in Baler. After lunch, we checked out the public market and headed out to Baler Catholic Church. This is Baler Catholic Church. That's the church. Across from it is the Aurora Aragon Quezon House. Situated in the vicinity of Plaza in Poblacion Baler is the Aurora Aragon Ancestral House. This replica was built in honor of Aurora Aragon Quezon, wife of former President Manuel Quezon. Just a few minutes away, we headed out to another popular destination in Baler. Okay, this is the museum. This is where we learned about the history and culture of Baler, from its pre-colonial origins to its modern surfing scene.
Yes po. So, bali, kaya po, di ba po alam naman kung gaano ka-torture ang mga Kastila. So, nung 1898 po, nagkaroon na po ng lakas ng loob yung mga Pilipino umapat. So, kasi po naniniwala sila na ang simbahan ay nire-respeto at ginagalang. 2021 na po.
Okay, we're on our way to the hanging bridge. There's the hanging bridge. Ito yung hanging bridge. Sino mga guide namin? Anong pangalan niya?
Kurt po. Malaglag
Ayan ang mga guide namin. It's the hanging bridge. We're off to the hanging bridge.
Hello, Baler!
Oh! Hello, Baler! Hello, Baler!
It's a human drone. Yes.
Hello, Baler! Ay na lang po!
Yan, second day namin sa Baler. Second day, and we are driving along the boulevard. We're leaving Baler tomorrow. I love this place. Oh!